The Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine has been awarded to professors Katalin, Kariko and Drew Weissman, who developed the technology that led to the mRNA COVID vaccines.
올해 노벨 생리의학상은 코로나19 메신저리보핵산 mRNA 백신 개발에 기여한 커털린 커리코 교수와 드루 와이즈먼 교수에게 돌아갔습니다. All right, so this whole week and more than that, every single day, we're going to be hearing who won this year's Nobel Prizes. So far, we have a few winners that have been announced. Tell us more about this.
Okay, so this mRNA technology, we heard so much about it during COVID. A lot of people have probably received this mRNA vaccine, but it was very experimental before the pandemic, but now it's been used by millions around the world.
Yeah.
So mRNA technology, while it was experimental, after going through COVID, it's now being researched for even other diseases, including cancer. So traditional vaccine technology, as we know, it's based on dead or weakened versions of the original virus that's entered into our body. And, that's why, when we get the flu shot, we get sick. It's because that virus is entered into our body.
Yeah.
But the mRNA vaccines, it uses a completely different approach. Should I explain this approach?
If you can, please.
It's very difficult. I was
Okay.
trying to understand it myself.
Yeah.
But what they say is, so it contains the genetic instructions for building one component. It's a protein, for example, from the coronavirus. So they take that protein and it's injected into the body, and then our cells start producing lots of that viral protein. So
Before you go on, I think we have an image that we could show on our 보이는
that
라디오.
would be so much better.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
as you explain, our
Okay.
listeners can look at the 보이는 라디오 and follow along. So
Okay.
tell us, please do go on.
All right. So when that protein, like I mentioned, it's a part of that coronavirus. It's injected into our body, and then our cells start producing lots of this viral protein, and then our immune system recognizes these as foreign, so it starts attacking them, and then it's learned how to fight the virus. So
Right.
it kind of has that head start with when future infections occur.
Right.
So the big idea behind this technology is that you can rapidly develop a vaccine against almost anything. That's why, they're trying to develop vaccines that can fight cancer. They're injecting the cancer into our bodies to help our bodies to fight its own cancer.
Antibodies are created, as we know. 항체가 만들어지는 과정이고, 그다음에 굉장히 의학적이고 전문적이기 때문에.
Yes, it's very difficult.
very hard for me to
I have an
translate.
idea of what
Yeah.
goes on, but really, who knows what goes on?
네. 그래서 이거 mRNA 백신을 개발한 카틀린 카리코 교수 그리고 드루 와이즈먼 교수에게 생리의학상이 돌아갔습니다. 이 노벨상이 여러 가지가 있잖아요. 지금 일단은 발표가 된 게 Physiology or Medicine. 이 카테고리 이름이 아예 이렇습니다. Physiology or Medicine. 둘 중에 하나의 전문가가 항상 이 상을 받는데요. 우리말로는 생리의학상. 뿐만 아니라 물리학상도 수상자가 발표가 됐습니다. 피에르 오거스티니, 프랭크 크라우스, 앤 르웰리에 발표가 됐고 이제 앞으로는 화학상, 문학상, 평화상 그리고 경제상, 노벨상이 이렇게 발표가 될 예정이죠. Let's look at the expressions.
Okay. It's the Nobel Prize for Physiology or Medicine.
Yeah.
So physiology, it's similar to medicine. It's
Yeah.
a scientific study of functions and mechanisms in a living system like our system. It's the study of life, specifically how cells, tissues, and organisms function.
네, 생리학, 이 physiology고요. 그다음에 이제 medicine는 의학이죠. 그래서 physiology or medicine 이 분야를 우리는 하나로 생리의학상이라고 부른다는 것. 자, 그다음에 that led to something.
Right, that led to. So lead to, it means to result in something or to bring about something. So for example, it was an accident that led to the astonishing discovery.
Right. 뭐로 이어지게 한 것이다. 자, 그럼 다시 한번 읽어보겠습니다. The Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine has been awarded to professors Katalin, Kariko, and Drew Weissman, who developed the technology that led to the mRNA COVID vaccines.